Hello everyone, my name is Chamit Madhuvanta. Index number is BST B4 224 04. I do CLI based questionnaire system developed using C++. First time doing my Visual Studio program. So first I share my screen, select screen and share it. Then I can go to the Visual Studio. Uh, so first Visual Studio, open the Visual Studio, then create new project. So go to the project and give next. So name the your project and give the location. So create it. Go to the source file. This select right button and add new item. So you can see C++ file labs. Go to the and take it. Now our basic. So write first include iStream using namespace cd, give the comma int main open brackets open box bracket return 0. First, give the comma. This is our basic. So then I explain my question giving what to do for this presentation. First, the entire program running inside a while loop, creating an infinite loop, so the system continuous without stopping. So I using cout to display the questions and cin to capture the user's input. Then for the logic, I use else statement. The program check the user's answer against the correct program. Check the user's answers against the correct and answer. Uh, if it's match the score increase by 1. If not, no marks are given. Finally, I use switch case on the total score that determine and display the user's final grade. That's it. That is the my presentation include. So I firstly I want to manage my time, so I create the project and I explain it again to the this screen. So first I write this our basic. I include iOS stream. So include string using namespace std int open brackets and open the box bracket. So string name first, string index, comma, string answer, int score equal to 0, char grade equal to the spade f. Cout, open the brackets, open upper bracket, enter your names, close the bracket and give the comma. Cin, open the brackets, name, give the comma. Cout, open the upper brackets, enter your index number, close the bracket and give comma. C in open brackets, index, comma, C out, mm, open brackets, open upper bracket, starting answer in 1, 2, 3, 4, or close the bracket and close the brackets, give endel to give the another row and give uh, comma. So I give these for question number one. So like a comment, see out, open the brackets and open upper bracket, who was the first king in the Sri Lanka. Give the open, close the bracket and close the upper bracket and close the bracket, and they'll give the comma. See out, open the brackets, give open upper brackets and give answers. Number one, Kavantis. Number two, Dutukam. Number three, Vijay. Number four, Elara. Close the brackets and close the upper bracket and close the bracket and endel, give the comma. See out, open the bracket, open upper brackets, your name answer, close the bracket and give the comma. See in, open the brackets and answers, give the comma if case using this. So open bracket answer double equal to give answer the tree number three, close the bracket and open the box bracket, is co-equal to or plus 20 marks and close the bracket. Like same as other question it is. So equation using C out, including did the British capture in whole Sri Lanka in number one 1928, number two 2028, number three 1815, number 4, 1868, give the endel and see out answer, see in answer. If answer equal to number 3, score plus or equal to 20 marks. Same as number 2. Number 3 is give the open the question number, give the comma, give the comment, like a comment, see out uh, who was the first prime minister in Sri Lanka. Give the endel, CSC out. Number one, D.S. Senanayaka. Number two, Chandrika. Number three, Ranil. Number four, Mahinda. Give the last row. I give the endel. See out your answer. Seen answer. If answer equal to number one, score plus OC equal 20 marks. Question number 4, see out in which year did the Sri Lanka won the Cricket World Cup? Give the end and see out now number 1 on 1996, number 2 1994, number 3 1998, number 5 4 1995. Give the end. See out your answer and see in answer if case using answer equal to number 1, score plus or equal to 20 marks. Now question number 5 as same. See out in which district in Kalani located, and then see out number 1 Gampa, number 2 Colombo, number 3 Jaffna, number 4 Kaluttara, give ended, row type ended, and see in answer if case using answer equal to number 1 and score the plus equal to 20 marks. Switch score. Case number 100, grade A. Using, we want to use break. So we not using break. So last answer is all we can look final grade. We can look all answers are F. So so we that case we correct it and we used to you are very we we take the accurate answer we you want to use break. So case 18 grade equal to B, break case 60, and grade equal to C, break case 40, grade equal to S, break grade case 20, grade equal to fail, break default grade equal to fail, break. Close the box bracket. See out student's name, name, endl. See out index number, index, endl. See out total score, equal, divide 100, endl. See out final grade, grade, endl. So after that, return 0. Now, I do the first my program. So uh, uh, I want to I want to save my time because I have too much, not too much time, um, else time. So I save my time. I write it. Now I want to see local window debugger. Uh, First enter your name, Chamit. Then enter your index number, BST 224 B204. Who was the first king in Sri Lanka? Number 3. In which year did the British capture in whole Sri Lanka? Number 3. Who was the first prime minister in Sri Lanka? Number 1. In which year did Sri Lanka won the cricket match? Number 1. In which district in Kalani located? Number 1. Student name Chamit, index number best number BST, total score 100%, final grade A. That's my presentation. So I finish it. Uh, Thank you.